Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for Michael in Kentucky on his Crusherbuilt 3cx3000 console unit. Yes, this is a one piece. Michael came to me and told me he was looking for something around 7,000 PEP. He had a few limitations holding him back as far as his wall current and what he could run and a few other variables. So he didn't want to go with the full bore 3000. He just wanted something around 7,000 watts. I said, well, you do a 3000, the two will just loaf right along at that. Super happy. And he wanted a one piece unit, so that's what we got here. Nice little seal around the edge there. Got a 1.75 amp fuse on the buys here. Michael, if you were to blow this fuse, one of three things has happened. Either A, something has failed in the unit, which is not going to be likely. B, you've got it severely out of tune. Or C, you're overdriving it. But you came to me, Michael, and said you were going to run your N4 with it. Now this is not your N4, but it's very similar. So we got that on the test bench. Fan and filament comes on first, high voltage on second. Then when you get ready to shut down for the night, high voltage off first, let it bleed off, and you can shut your fan and filament off. Has a soft start on it. Glitch protection. 30 amp fuses here. Look at that. Sweet. Well, let's get on with the show, Michael. Oh, here's your standard GI46 box. And to show you the difference, yeah, it's a big boy. Peter Dahl transformer. And for what Michael was doing here, and the power out he was looking for in the budget build, we went with a 1.7 amp ICAS transformer. You know, that should easily supply the 7,000 watts that he wants to drive, or driven just by his N4. So let's get right to it. First, I got the 250 watt slug in average, 500 in PEP. I got this thing keying about 115 watts. Hello, doing 200 bird. 500 watt in PEP. Hello, just shy of 500 watts. Now, Michael, yours is a little bit hotter, but you also have a variable voltage adjustment on the power supply that you can roll that back and custom tailor it. And I'll go over all that with you when we get ready to get you going. Change these slugs out. And while I do, honestly, with this amp, I keep it at a 2,000 watt dead key max. You're gonna have some guys that are gonna tell you, oh, you need to run that 4, 5, 6,000, run it till it back swings. Well, I'm just telling you, and the builder told me, run it about a max of 2,000 watt dead key and let it swing the rest. And here's why. Let's just get on it here. Show you the carrier first. 5,000 watt slug. It's 2,000 watt dead key. Show you average power swing. Hello. So about 37, 3,800 average with 200 average in on a budget build one piece unit. 10,000 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 8,300, 8,400. Wow. We're gonna let you look at all this. 5,800 on the plate. Hello. Drops to 5,000. Plate current and grid current. amp and a quarter. Hello. Not even pulling an amp and a half of current. So you're well under that 1.7 amp ICAS. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. Show you one more time, both of them in live action. Hello, got down, hello, audio. And I'll tell you one more thing, Michael, you may see more out of this, and here's one reason why. As you know, I recently moved shop. I have not set up my shop for 220 yet. So we have a pigtail here adapting down to a 20 amp plug and 50 feet. 50 feet. Kids, don't try this at home. This was just for testing. I'd never run it like this. 50 feet running to a 30 amp dryer plug. Okay. But I just want to show you guys what we're getting out of this amplifier. And we know we have some AC current drop, without a doubt. Michael, I think you're really going to enjoy this. Turned out way better than I even could have imagined. Top-notch work by Crusherbuilt. Of course, I know you're only going to use this for testing purposes and the dummy load just as I did. But you'll have a lot of fun doing so. Michael, enjoy it. We appreciate it. For your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com, and email is truckscbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.